Thinking about a quartz worktop? Here are the answers to your most common question. What are the benefits of Silestone quartz? Quartz is durable, non-porous, and resistant to heat, stains, mold, and bacteria, making it hygienic and low maintenance. It offers the look of natural stone with modern practicality. Does Silestone quartz stain easily? Quartz's non-porous surface resists stains, so spills like lemon juice, wine, or vinegar wipe away easily. For tougher stains, a Scotch-Brite TM pad and gentle cleaner will keep it looking pristine. Can Silestone quartz be repaired if scratched or damaged? Quartz is very hard to damage, but not impossible. Repairing quartz is a job for the experts, so call our specialist team for advice. How long does it take to install a Silestone quartz worktop? Once we have completed your on-site consultation and all aspects of the design have been agreed, we'll manufacture your worktop. The lead time for manufacture can vary a little at busy times, so we'll discuss this with you when you order. Once your order is ready, we can normally complete an average installation within a week. What's the difference between Silestone quartz and granite? While granite is a natural product, quartz is engineered. While granite is sourced from quarries, quartz is made from a variety of natural materials, including quartz, stone, and glass. These ingredients are mixed with plastic resin to bond them together. The result can look almost identical to granite, but is entirely man-made. Still have questions? Get in touch today. Visit our website.